As you can all see, I got rid of the exotic ruby red fiery case because it came with a faulty power supply. So what I did was I went and got this computer case and came out of my pocket and got me a better power supply with a 3-year warranty, of course. I have the i5 processor in here, DVD burner, card reader, and now for the grand finale. Here's your DVD burner, 160 gigabyte hard drive, 500 watts of power supply, aftermarket CPU heatsink. The reason why I got an aftermarket is because the one that came with the actual CPU, it had a plastic connector. Now, do your math. It's simple ethics. Plastic get hot. What does it do? Duh, it melts. This one comes with screw ends, and it has a more stable connection. As you can look to the side where my hand is touching here, I have 2 of them. It's equal up to a total of 8 gigabytes. To the left, you have a blue LED fan that actually lights up. That's pretty much it. What I'm gonna get into, except for anybody who's watching this video, if you're into gaming, please leave your comments, and may the best reviewer win. I want to get 2 graphic cards for extreme gaming. Someone told me get the Gigabyte 550 Ti series, so I really want more bang for my buck. I would spend in between $150 to $250 for this here. So really review some of these things. I'm not into gaming, but I do play games. I'm gonna play games such as 2K12, 2K13 when it comes out, Resident Evil. I might play Black Ops. I don't know. Don't want to bore you, but let's take a look at the back here. Okay. Once again, your blue LED fan, your audio. I have a wireless adapter hooked up for when I take this off and put it in my other room. I'll still catch the Wi-Fi signal. Another thing why I got this specific motherboard, I have a HDMI connector from my TV straight to the computer. Awesome. I use wireless keyboards and mouse because I feel this is enough cable for now. It's enough. Basically, that's it. I can do a custom built computer for you. If you want this computer with the graphic card, but just the way it is, $650. It comes with a 3-year warranty. I'm not gonna create a sales pitch. It is what it is. It does not come with a monitor. The monitor is sold separately. So if we transact your deal, you have to let me know up front that you do want a monitor and a keyboard and mouse. Because I'm assuming you already have one. And this build is $650. 3-year warranty. Okay? You know the sales. You know my pitch. This is Elliot Flemish from Flemish Computer Tech. I'll see you guys later next time. Over and out.